children, this class is for standard 5 and the subject is mathematics. In this class, we are going to see chapter number 6, fractions, exercise 6.2. Topic covered in this class is reducing a fraction to its lowest form. First, let us learn how to reduce the fraction to its lowest form. A fraction is said to be in its lowest term when there is no common factor between the numerator and denominator other than 1. A fraction can be reduced to its lowest form by using the following methods. First method is called as repeated division by common factors. The second method is called as by finding the HCF. First, let us learn how to do repeated division by common factors. Exercise 6.2, page number 72. First problem, A problem. Reduce 8 by 12 to its lowest term. Solution. Both 8 and 12 are even numbers, so 8 and 12 are divisible by 2. Therefore, we need to divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. So 8 divided by 12 equal to 8 divided by 2 divided by 12 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Similarly, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, which is equal to 4 divided by 6. Again, both 4 and 6 are also divisible by 2 because 4 and 6 are even numbers. So, we need to divide the numerator and the denominator once again by 2. So, 4 divided by 6 equal to 4 divided by 2 divided by 6 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, which is equal to 2 by 3. Now, 2 and 3 have the common factor is 1. Therefore, this is going to be the lowest form. The lowest form of 8 by 12 is 2 by 3. Let us see one more problem in exercise 6.2, page number 72. First problem, C problem. Reduce 9 by 24 to its lowest term. Solution. We know that 9 and 24 can be divisible by 3. So, both 9 and 24 are divisible by 3. We need to divide 9 and 24 by 3. So, 9 divided by 24 equal to 9 divided by 3 divided by 24 divided by 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So, which is equal to 3 by 8. Now, the common factors of 3 and 8 is 1. So, this is going to be the lowest form. Therefore, 9 by 24, the lowest form is 3 by 8. Now, let us move on to the second method by finding the HCF. We have already read HCF is highest common factor. So, we need to find the highest common factor of the given numbers. Then, we need to divide based on the highest common factor. Exercise 6.2, page number 72. Second problem, A question. Reduce 21 divided by 35 to its lowest form. Here, we are going to use the method which is called as HCF. So, the first step is to find the HCF of 21 and 35. We already know how to find the HCF of 21. We need to write it in this manner, and we know that 21 can be divided by 3, which is equal to 7. So 7 divided by 7, which is equal to 1. Similarly, 35 can be divided by 5. So 5 divided by 35, we get 7. Again we need to divide it by 7, so we get 1. So 21 equal to 3 into 7, 35 equal to 5 into 7. We need to circle the common factors, which is equal to 7. Therefore, the HCF of 21 and 35 is 7. The HCF of 21 and 35 is 7. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by 7. So 21 by 35 equal to 21 divided by 7 by 35 divided by 7. We know that 21 by 7 equal to 3 and 35 by 7 equal to 5. Therefore, 3 divided by 5. The lowest form of 21 by 35 equal to 3 by 5. Thank you, children.